Welcome back to Classy Bonsai. It's a windy day here, it's a little chilly, but repotting season must go on. I have a big bald cypress that I got from Underhill Bonsai at Bonsai Central, and a Tokutake pot that I also got from Bonsai Central, and I'm going to pair them up. So let's get going. Giant bald cypress. It's a big one. You know. And I'm thinking about putting it in this pot here, which is a big pot. You know. I had a thought of this pot, but I don't know. I like the idea of the round one because I want to work on these radial roots. I don't think the pot that's in here is wide enough to give it a chance to grow those radial roots out. So I think I'm going to put it in this Tokutake pot. It's a cool tree. Last year I put all these guy wires on here to get these branches where I want them. I don't even know if I'll end up keeping all these or if I'll end up making it a flat top of some sort, but I want to go for this type of tree. We'll see if it'll do it. You don't see a lot of bald cypress bonsai like this, but that's what I'm going to try and do. So hopefully these branches are going to stay where they're at and not spring up when I take all these wires off. We'll see. So we got all that pile of wires off. See, this is wired in a few spots. This might be some kind of cage wiring. Don't know. We'll find out when we get into it. I'm gonna have to wire it into the new pot for sure. So, all right, let's get work. It's a mess. It's a mess and a mess. Oh moly. And look at that. What am I going to do with all that? Good God. So as crazy as it sounds, I think I'm going to cut this root off and this root off. So it looks like there's much better flare, like even flare, down lower. Yeah, I think they gotta go. It's wild to say it, but I think they gotta go. This is the problem when you're buying nursery type stuff like this. I don't know what they really did to it. It looks like to me like they, field grew it for a while and then lopped it off and stuck it in this pot and forgot about it. Because this isn't a very good radial system here. So I think these top ones are going to go and completely change the complexity of this tree. Just like that. That one's gone. And what was it connected to? issues though, you know, like clean those cut marks up. I'd like to get all the roots that are connected to them out of there too, but it's kind of hard to do when you can't follow them because they're growing in such a whirl pattern. This one's coming from underneath there somewhere. Oh, that one is part of that. I just cut. It needs to go bye-bye, but this one does too, sure. Okay, got a lot of roots cut out of there. I'm gonna have to clean up these snubs so that it looks nice. I'm gonna hurry up and get it in a pot. It's pretty windy out and I don't want to dry it out. Let's clean these nubs up. The bald cypress is all repotted in a nice Nao Tokutake pot. It's definitely going to need more watering this summer. It's probably going to have to reside in some kind of water container, which most of my bald cypress do in the summertime anyway, so that doesn't matter to me. But let's have a look at it. Thanks for watching.